Imagine creatures so strange, so massive that they once ruled the earth, yet we've only seen their bones. Today we bring the fossils back to life, and some will surprise you. Some animals grew larger than we could imagine. Tyrannosaurus rex, the ultimate predator, could crush bones with a single bite. Argentinosaurus. Towering over the ancient plains, it was one of the largest creatures of its time. And the woolly mammoth, now frozen in ice, once trumpeted across tundras in giant herds. Not all giants were on land. Dunkleosteus, a predator armored like a tank, ruled ancient seas. Titanoboa, a 50-foot snake, slithered through swamps, devouring anything in its path. Megalodon, the ocean's apex predator with teeth the size of bananas, could swallow sharks whole. Some animals seem almost like myths. Glyptodon, an armored giant, lived like a walking tank. Moas towered over humans in prehistoric New Zealand. The dodo, now gone forever, once wandered islands without fear. And the thylacine, hunted to extinction, still haunts our imagination today. Some creatures weren't extinct in legend, just hidden from us. Coelacanth, thought lost for 66 million years, lives in deep underwater caves. Giant isopods crawl across ocean floors like alien monsters. Goblin sharks with jaws that shoot forward like springs wait silently in darkness. Not all incredible animals were deep-sea monsters or massive predators. Some lived quietly, hidden in forests, plains, or shallow waters. The Civatherium, a giant giraffe-like mammal towering over treetops. Elasmosaurus, a long-necked marine reptile gracefully navigating ancient seas. Megaloceros, the giant deer with antlers as wide as a man is tall. These creatures weren't just fossils, they were once alive. And by bringing them back with science and imagination, we glimpse the monsters that walked, swam, and slithered before us. Which extinct animal fascinates you the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into Earth's hidden past.